Welcome back to this training series. In this video, you will learn how to fetch valuable inventory scrape content on your Google Adsense account. When you get this response on your Google Adsense account, it means most of the contents on your site are copied. To fix this problem, post more unique content on your site. Once you've done that, then valuable inventory will be totally resolved in your site. So that is how to fix valuable inventory scrape content in order to get Google AdSense approval. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video.